Welcome back to Bloomberg West. I'm Emily Chang. Zynga filed an amendment to its IPO prospectus today with a big surprise, a, quote, material weakness in its accounting. Bloomberg West editor-at-large Cory Johnson has been reviewing the filing. Cory, I know you've been digging through this all day. What did you find?
You can't even see me digging through it today, but yes, you know how I like to do that.
And I know, I know you've been digging through it.
Well, what we saw here is really a surprising admission from Zynga. They're talking about a material weakness. So within the filing, you find this sentence. It says, subsequent to the initial filing of the registration statement, we determined that our accounting policy related to changes in estimated average playing periods was inconsistent with accounting standards, which is to say, they were doing something that wasn't kosher by the accounting standards. And the fact was that they overstated their deferred revenues. They actually understated their revenues. And because there were more revenues, there should have been more taxes accrued for. But when you look at it, the materiality of the misstatement really didn't amount to much. When you look at how big the misstatement was, it was really about $7.5 million coming out of deferred revenues, should have been in revenues, then there was a tax change. On the basis of what all of their revenues are, the math mistake was frankly not that big. I mean, the company did $235 million in revenues. Corrected, it was $242 in the first quarter. What you're looking at right there is their actual revenue. So this is what's really interesting about their business. They have a deferred revenue model built into their business, which is to say, very conservative accounting. What that has resulted in is they've taken a lot of money that they don't count as revenues. They appropriately keep it on the side, waiting for people to actually use the games and for them to deliver that service. What it means is that the very conservative accounting from this company caused them to be even too conservative in their first filing with the SEC. Now we can really see what's going on with this business even more clearly. But what you see is a massive business with really careful accounting. Emily?
This is definitely new territory for Zynga and other gaming companies that follow. Thanks for that.